Welcome to our finance video, in which we'll look at effective strategies for generating passive income and securing your financial future. In today's fast-paced world, it's critical to create multiple income streams that continue to flow even when you're not actively working. In this video, we'll look at 6 lucrative passive income options. Our first choice is invest in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks offer a unique opportunity to receive a consistent stream of passive income. These stocks belong to companies that regularly distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. By investing in dividend stocks, you can enjoy regular payments, usually on a quarterly basis, regardless of your active involvement in the company's operations. This strategy allows you to grow your wealth steadily while benefiting from the perks of passive income. Rent out your spare room or car. Unlock the earning potential of your idle resources by renting out your spare room or seldom-used vehicle. Platforms like Airbnb and car-sharing services have revolutionized the rental market, making it incredibly convenient to connect with potential renters. By capitalizing on these platforms and leveraging your existing assets, you can effortlessly earn additional income without significant effort or time investment. Start an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing presents an exciting opportunity to monetize your online presence and earn passive income by promoting other people's products or services. As an affiliate marketer, you earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Whether you have a strong social media following, a popular website, or a dedicated online community, affiliate marketing allows you to recommend products or services that resonate with your audience's interests and generate income through successful referrals. Start a dropshipping business. Escape the burden of inventory management and shipping logistics by venturing into the world of dropshipping. This e-commerce business model simplifies the process. When a customer places an order on your website, you forward the order details to a supplier who then ships the product directly to the customer. With dropshipping, you can establish a low-risk online business venture with a minimal upfront investment, eliminating the need for storing, packaging, or shipping products. Buy a rental property. Investing in rental properties can provide a reliable and ongoing source of passive income. By purchasing properties and renting them out to tenants, you can generate monthly rental income while potentially benefiting from property appreciation over time. However, thorough research, careful property selection and desirable locations with strong rental demand, and effective management and tenant screening are crucial for a successful rental property business. Invest in real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts allow you to tap into the real estate market without the need to directly own properties. These companies own and operate income-generating real estate, such as residential apartments, office buildings, or shopping centers. Investing in REITs provides exposure to the real estate market through stock market trading, offering a convenient and passive way to invest in real estate while reaping the benefits of regular income. Create and sell digital products. The digital era has opened up countless opportunities for creating and selling digital products. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, stock photos, graphic designs, software, or music, there is a vast market for digital products. By leveraging your skills and expertise, you can develop high-quality digital products and sell them through platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly without incurring additional production or distribution costs. With effective marketing and a focus on meeting customer needs, digital product sales can provide a sustainable and evergreen source of passive income. Thank you for tuning into our video on passive income strategies. We hope these ideas have inspired you to take steps toward financial freedom. For more valuable financial advice and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Together, let's unlock the potential of passive income and build a brighter financial future.